Taurus, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong second half ng 2025, July to December. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Taurus. July to December, what's up? Pisces energy, so sensitize. Medyo magiging emotional or mas sensitive yung energy nyo ngayong second half ng 2025. Maaring you will get into creative arts or, using your creativity. Pluto, wow. Rebirth. Transformation, major change. And the moon, okay. So, it seems na meron ka i-develop sa sarili mo. Ito yung mga hindi mo napagtutuunan ng pansin or hindi mo masyadong pinansin. Ano ba? So, this can be your what you really want, no? Yung ano talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay. Maaring nag-focus ka muna sa finances mo, sa career mo, or business mo, na tipong nawalan ka na ng hobby. Ibig sabihin, yung mga libangan. Oo. So, ngayong second half ng 2025, maaring maglilibang ka. Maraming ways, no, para maglibang. Hindi lang sa cellphone. This can be more, you will become more active, or you will tap into your creativity, your other skills. Yung iba sa inyo magaling kayo mag-painting, or you are into music, arts, ganyan. Self-expression can also be writing, no, for some of you. Let's see, Taurus. Oh, 'di ba? Wheel of Fortune. So this is change. Maaring merong bagong path para sa iyo kasi part ng Pluto is transformation. So major change ito. May nagbabago sa iyong sa dynamics ng buhay mo ngayon. Para tong gradually mangyayari. So for example, ikaw ay busy sa trabaho, sa business, ganyan. Tapos, dumating dun sa point na parang napagod ka na or naghahanap ka ng parang, yun nga, libangan or something na makakapagtanggal ng stress sa buhay mo. And then, dun mo madidiscover yung iba mo pa palang abilities. And yung discovery mo ng abilities na yun will lead to a new direction. So, example, na-realize mo na magaling ka pala magluto. Tapos, yun yung naging libangan mo. At, mas nagiging masaya ka pag ginagawa mo yun. And then, it will open up opportunities for you to finally make some changes sa source of income mo. 'Di ba? Like, hindi ka na mag-work for corporate. Pwedeng you will use your hobby, yung iyong libangan, para kumita ng pera. So, that kind of change. You have the Nine of Cups, which is happiness, fulfillment. Ito yung tipong kahit mahirap siya, talagang ipupurso mo, gagawin mo. You're going to be more committed sa iyong sarili. Oo kasi yung iba sa inyo, you feel burdened, no? Sa situation ninyo, and you gusto mo ng bago. Gusto mo ng adventure. And ngayong second half ng 2025, you will experience adventure. Oo. Yung iba kasi maaring, parang nakatali kayo sa paulit-ulit na ginagawa ninyo. And sometimes it feels boring. And you want to make some changes. So, part nung exploration ninyo is maaring you will have a break or take a break from work. Pwedeng short break, pwedeng long break. Pero dun sa break na yon, meron kang madidiscover sa sarili mo na gusto mong na dun mo mararanasan na masaya pala, na exciting pala yon. So yun yung babaguhin mo sa buhay mo, na gusto mong ma-experience yung happiness na yon, na gusto mo siyang ipagpatuloy. Let's see your money, career, finances. Oh my God, oh. 6 of Wands. Oh my God. Okay. Ang OA ko, kaya lang. Mukha talagang itong major change na to, itong transformation na to related sa career ninyo, trabaho, source of income, okay, or finances nyo. Itong transformation na to, because the Death card is about endings and new beginnings, this will lead you to success. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng related to sa content creation or social media, kasi 6 of Wands is like parang sineselebrate ka ng mga tao. This is also about fame, pagiging kilala, no? Oo, so maaring ang ipupursue ninyo na career related sa content creation or social media. Okay, ano ba yan? Pasensya na, naghikab lang ako. Oo. So, sa inyong finances, I definitely see success here. Your hard work is going to pay off. So, itong 6-month period na yan, ito na yung transition. Ito na yung transformation. By the end of the year, doon mo na i-reap yung rewards nung mga nasimulan mo related sa iyong creativity or creative projects, passion projects. So, sa love life naman, the star. Uy, ganda. If you're single, may person, may offer ng love, may opportunity for a relationship, pero syempre, it's all up to you kung i-accept mo. Okay? So, maaring part yan ng pagbabago rin na mangyayari. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, you will fully recover or heal from a past, like a past relationship. Lalo na kung naging traumatic yon para sa inyo. So, nagsha-shadow work kayo, you're continuously improving yourself, working on yourself, and yan ay magpi-pay off. At makikita naman yan sa inyo kasi magmamanifest yan sa sarili nyo, the way you speak, the way you express yourself and connect with other people. So, I think mas marami kang maa-attract ngayong second half ng 2025. Pero syempre piliin mo lang kung kung sino yung talagang What mo, romance is in the air. Wow, Taurus. Apakaganda ng second half ninyo. Merong magpapakilig sa'yo. Pero kung ikaw naman ay may relationship na, maaring this is your person. Oh my God, love talaga, love, love, love. Ang ganda na ng career, ang ganda pa ng love. Kayo na. Diba? Okay. Oh my goodness. Transformational talaga ang second half ng December ng 2025 for you. Change for the better, Better career, better relationship, better life. Kasi ang butterfly, it symbolizes metamorphosis, change. You are divinely guided, Taurus. You are also protected from harm. Meron kang angel. Merong nagpo-protect sa'yo. This can be your ancestors, and also if you believe in angels, yes. Meron kang guardian angel who is always there protecting you. Or someone na merong spiritual na kakayanan who is always guiding you through. Slay them all. Talaga slay na slay. Yes, so this is about courage, lakas ng loob. na ipagtanggol yung sarili mo, na ipaglaban yung mga paniniwala mo, paglaban yung pangarap mo, kahit na mahirap na gawin. Oo. Kahit na may mga obstacles, may mga pumipigil sa'yo, may mga nangingialam sa decision mo. But you will be able to fight for what you want, for your goals, for your dreams. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.